Introducing our latest innovation, the Pro Fuel Multiple BTUs by the Outdoor Plus. Designed for both professionals and homeowners, this mixer supports multiple BTU levels, ranging from 65,000 to over 500,000, making fuel conversion between natural gas and liquid propane easier than ever. With its adjustable airflow, you can fine-tune the flame to achieve a cleaner, more efficient burn, regardless of the BTU level you're working with. Say goodbye to sooty or uneven flames. The Pro Fuel Air Mixer minimizes carbon buildup, reducing maintenance and extending the life of your fire feature. Whether you're setting up a new fire pit or upgrading an existing one, and no matter the BTU output, the Pro Fuel Air Mixer ensures you get the perfect flame every time. Proudly made in the USA and patented for its innovative design, Pro Fuel Air Mixer, precision, efficiency, and reliability for multiple BTU configurations.